Now, in the series of calculating the pH of bases, now let's see the pH when we mix a strong base with a weak base. When we mix a strong base with a weak base. So we know all the OH negative is to be considered from strong base only. So we consider that the OH negative is coming from strong base. So we could write Kb as C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. Can we write? No, we can't write like this. So and common ion is OH negative. Why we can't write this? Because we have to go on the basics like concentration of OH negative and the B positive upon BOH. So we can't write it as a C alpha. We can't write it as a C alpha. Then must have to be OH negative only. So what are the four assumptions that we take? That OH minus is coming out only all this from OH negative of strong base. Second assumption, weak base, how much was initial? Due to common ion effect, we will be thinking that it has been converted into ion. So the concentration of weak base will remain same. This is the assumption. We know it will be a little bit dissociated, but due to a very high amount of OH negative which is coming from a strong acid, and we have to consider that only, we see that the alpha has been suppressed that much that it is considered to be negligibly dissociated, and the concentration of B positive that is coming out from weak base is C alpha. And the fourth point is Kb, we have to write it like B positive and OH negative over the BOH. So let's consider a problem how much NaOH should be added in 500 ml of 0.1 molar NH4OH solution so that the concentration of ammonium ion is 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. So it is 0.1 molar NH4OH, and this is suppose NaOH, such that OH negative concentration, it is given NH4 positive concentration is 10 raised to power negative 5 mole per liter, or molar we can say, and the volume is given to it 500 ml of the solution is. So we have to calculate the mass of NH4OH actually. So what actually happened? NH4OH we have. NH4OH will dissolve in its 500 ml water on the aqueous solution. The NH4OH, NH4 plus an OH negative. Its Kb. Its Kb is 10 raised to power minus 5. One more information is given. Take Kb is 10 raised to power minus 5. So actually we have 0.1 molar NH4OH plus NaOH. So if we write Kb equals to concentration of NH4 plus OH negative over divided by NH4OH. So the NH4 plus is 10 raised to power minus 5. That has to be concentration. And OH negative, let's write it to be as OH negative, because all the OH will come from NaOH, and we don't know that. And over the NH4OH. Now if we see in the NH4OH will not be changed. How much was final initial? It will to be final, because it won't be dissociate more due to common ion effect, and we have seen in the 4 cases 0.1. So the Kb is given 10 to power minus 5. So the concentration of OH negative comes out to be 0.1, and weight of NaOH, its concentration into volume into molecular mass. Concentration is, see, volume is 500 ml, or you can say 1/2 liter, into molar mass. Molar mass, how much molar mass is NaOH? 40. So actually weight is C into 20. Concentration of 20. So weight of is coming out to be 0.1 into concentration 20. So it is 2 gram.